Hey, Sudhakar, physiotherapist here. In my past videos, I have taught you how to help with your back pain. I've got a lot of self-treatment videos to help with your back pain and sciatica. Um, but that's not the end. If you have back pain, fixing the pain is not enough. We have to make sure this pain won't come back again and again. So for us to achieve that, we need to work on strengthening your back muscle. If you're wondering which muscle to work on, then I will recommend you to start strengthening your core muscle first. There is enough evidence now to show that if you have a very strong core muscle, that will reduce your chance of you injuring your lower back. Okay, and when you injure your lower back, that's the first muscle. Your core muscles are the first muscles to get deactivated. And if you don't reactivate this muscle, then whatever you do, it's not going to, this muscle is not going to get strengthened. So that's the reason I hear from a lot of my clients. They say, hey, I do a lot of physical activity. I do so much sit-ups. So why my core muscle is still weak? This is the reason. You need to activate it. Okay. The good news is I'm going to show you an exercise today to activate one of your core muscle. That is the transverse abdominis muscle. Okay. Let me share my screen to show you how to do that exercise. So this is the transverse abdominis muscle. I'm going to show you how to strengthen that muscle. These muscles are like close, deep muscles, and they're close to the spine and give stability to the spine. Okay. If they are weak, then your spine may move a lot and cause arthritis in the long run, or even if there is a lot of movement, it can rupture your disc and cause disc bulge and like a disc herniation. So it's very important to first strengthen this particular muscle. Okay, so to do this, you're going to lie on your back flat like this. Let me turn on the presentation. Just a second, sorry for that. Okay, you're going to lie flat on your back like this and bend both your knee. And you're going, this is the starting position. You're going to be lie on your back like a flat with both your knee bent like this, relaxed. And then you're going to pull your belly button down towards the bed and up towards the heart. So it's a very subtle movement. You don't have to pull it really hard down towards the bed. Actually, you're going to pull it down towards the heart and up towards the chest, like in this angle. Okay. And it's very important while doing this exercise, don't hold your breath. You have to breathe normal, because I want you to activate this muscle and use it as much as possible throughout the day. Okay. So this is not like a strengthening, strengthening exercise. Is more an activation, educating your brain that this muscle exists, and educating your brain to use it. Okay, so you're not going to, after doing this exercise, you're not going to feel as if your abdominal muscles are like really strong. This is more to educate your brain about this muscle. This muscle is existing. Please use it. Okay. So to do this, you're going to lie on your back, bend both your knee, and then you're going to pull your belly button down towards the bed and up towards the heart. Okay, and while doing it, you're going to breathe normal. Okay, and it's a very subtle movement. It's like you're not going to pull it too hard. It's going to be very subtle. Okay, even if you can palpate your hand near your pelvis, that muscle should not bulge. If you're doing it too hard, the muscle near your pelvic bone will bulge a lot. So if you do the right way, there will be no bulge at all, or maybe like a minimal muscle bulge there. Okay, and you will hold this position for a count of 5. You will do it 10 repetitions, and you will do 3 sets. Okay, this is where you're going to start with. And once you're like, able to do it very comfortably, then you can challenge this muscle by doing different activity. When you activate this muscle, you're going to do different activity to challenge this muscle. Okay, we'll discuss that later, but to begin with, in our later videos, to begin with, you're going to learn how to activate this muscle, train your brain. This muscle exists, and like letting your brain to know this muscle exists and asking it to use it. Okay, great. Again, if you have any question about this exercise or anything to do with the back pain or joint pain, always contact me. You can direct message me, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. Hopefully it helps. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.